Here is the Speedline Business System. It comes with all the components needed to perform a fast repair on medium damage with the glue system. Here are the 6 different speed lines. Power knobs for stronger pulling. Glue gun. 3 different pulling elements. And the business fridge. Now, let's look at how to perform a repair. Here is the damage. Apply the Speedline, and press to the panel until the glue has cooled off. Apply the bridge and tension relieve the crowns. Changing the pulling element is also important, as this will influence the area that you are pulling out. To remove the Speedline, apply alcohol to the glue. The remaining small damage can be pulled out with the power knobs, or with the normal knobs. Thanks for watching.